Hello and welcome to Balangir Public School YouTube channel. This is for class 7 English. So let's discuss honeycomb page number 14. The comprehension check in the first question is many wise men answered the king's questions. We have to find the correct answers from the box, and the answer will be many wise men answered the king's questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Okay, then number 2. Someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men. Find out the answer box. The answer will be someone suggested that there should be a council of wise men to help the king act at the right time. The last line, the last sentence of the box, to help the king act at the right time. Now come to question number 3, that is someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable. The answer is, let's find from the box. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. So the king should follow the timetable strictly. Okay. Now come to question number 4. The king requested the hermit what the king requested the hermit? Find out. So the answer is the king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. The king requested the hermit to answer 3 questions. That is the second line. Okay, of the box. Now come to the question number 5. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound. But the bleeding would not stop. Okay. Now working with text, page number 14. Answer the following questions. Question number 1 is why was the king advised to go to magicians? The answer is the king was told that in order to decide the right time for doing something, it was necessary to look into the future. Since only magicians could do so, he was advised to go to magicians. Now, question number 2. In answer to the second question, which advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer is In answer to the second question, some wise men believe that the king should have some counselors to give him advice. Some others said priests. Some other wise men said that doctors' advice was most important, and yet others believed that the soldiers were the most important. Now, question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? The answer is in answer to the third question, that is, what is the most important thing to do? Some wise men responded that science was the most important thing. Some others believed that fighting was the most crucial thing to do for a king, and the others said that religious worship was the most important thing to do. Question number 4. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? No, none of the wise men won the reward. That is because all of them came up with different answers, and the king was not satisfied with any of those answers. Now come to the question number 5, that is, how did the king and hermit help the wounded man? First of all, the king cleaned the wound by washing it. Then he covered the wound with his handkerchief. He continued to dress the wound until the bleeding stopped entirely. The king gave some water to the wounded man to drink. Now come to the question number 6, that is question number 6. First one is, who was the bearded man? Answer is, the bearded man was the king's enemy. He had come there to take revenge from the king of his brother's death and take back his property. Then the second bit is, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? The answer is, he asked for the king's forgiveness because he came to kill the king and the king saved his life. Here, his means the wounded man. Okay. Now come to question number 7, that is, the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? So the answer is, the king forgave the bearded man. He showed his forgiveness by offering to send doctors and servants to take care of the wounded man. He also promised to return his property too. Now the last question is, that is question number 8. What were the hermit's answer to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? The hermit's answer to the 3 questions were, the answer 1 is, the right time to do something is now because it is the only time when we can act. The second answer is, the most important person is the person you are with at a particular moment, because what will happen in the future The third answer is the most important thing to do is to do good to the person, because we are here on the earth for that purpose alone. Then you have to answer of your own. That second bit, which answer do you like most and why?